Alright guys, today I will be sharing one of the most simple but yet powerful strategy. I will be showing you a support and resistance strategy. I will be showing you level you can take your trades from. Trading is already difficult, so we don't have to overcomplicate it. We have to make it simple, and a simple strategy can work. Like a strategy, you just have to find a strategy which has an edge, which suit your personality, and of course a strategy which makes money. So I'll be sharing resistance and support. Let's get to the business of the day. Let me show you. First thing, I will show you how to delineate your supply and resistance. Yeah, I'm already on a 15 minutes chart, so I will be using it just to show you how to delineate or to draw your support and resistance levels. Okay, first thing, to draw your support and resistance, you can use a line chart. Okay, I'm going to a line chart. Most of the time your chart, you will find it will be looking like this. It will be in candlesticks. So now we are turning it into line chart. So with support and resistance, just to define it, a resistance, it is a level or an area or a zone where a market, where you can see that there is an invisible barrier. The market cannot break up. It's failing to go up. That means it's like a ceiling. There is a ceiling, the market can't go up. And then with support, it is where the price action cannot break below. That is your support. And then it appears that there is a barrier. You understand me? The market keeps on touching that level and it keeps bouncing back. So just to explain it, it's like this. Let's draw a simple house. Yeah, let's draw a simple house. Let's draw a simple house. This is a perfect example. Okay. All right. Yes. So this level is your ceiling, and then this level is your floor. This level is your floor. Let me take this chart. Let me bring it in the center. Okay. Yes. Let me make it. I wanna make it. Let me just increase the opacity. Let me see. Okay. Okay. That's perfect. Okay. So here is your ceiling. You understand me? This is your ceiling. And then this is your floor. So your floor is your support. And then your ceiling is your resistance. Yes, so that means the price action can't break the ceiling. When the price action can't break the ceiling, then it forms a resistance, and then when the price action can break the floor, which it forms a support. You see, it forms a support. It forms a support. You see, yeah. So that's it. That is the basic concept. So this strategy mostly works because in trading, like, the price action repeats itself. Where the market reacted in the past, and then maybe there was an aggressive move downwards. When the market comes to that level, there is a probability that the price action will make the market to move to go down. Yeah, basically. So for now, then let's draw our supply and resistance on the chart. Yeah, on the chart. Let me see. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. Alright. Yeah, let me show you how to delineate your chart. Yeah, you can use the line graph or you can use a support, but yeah, with the line graph you can easily see your sections. So for now, let me return to the bar chart. Okay, my eyes are used to the candles, but yeah, it's easy to delineate when using that thing. So first thing, if you can look here, there is a resistance here. There is a resistance. You can see that the graph touched here, then it touched here, then it touched here, also touched here. You see, it's a resistance. You see, that is your resistance level. And then the other one, if you can check, is this one here, around this area. You see, this is your resistance. This is your resistance. You see, it bounced off here, it bounced off around here, it bounced off around here, then it bounced off even around here, then it bounced off around this, even here. And then you see, like, your support can turn into a resistance, or your resistance can reverse in when it is broken. They can change roles, you know, like your resistance can become your support and your support can become your resistance. I will show you that later. Just stick around. And guys, you should stick around, because at the end of this video I will show you the entries. I will show you how to trade this thing, because it's one thing to know how to delineate, to draw this support and resistance, and it is another thing to trade from them, you see. But they are really important, because these levels is where investors and traders look for opportunities, you know. They don't just trade. Yeah, and then okay, from here you can see there is some kind of a resistant level. Let me see. Yeah, somewhere here there is a resistance. There is a, what do they call it, a support. I mean, you see, it bounced off here, then it bounced off here, bounced off here, even bounced here, you see. And then yeah, sometimes it doesn't even have to touch a lot, but it has to. You'll find that there is a huge movement from a level, an aggressive movement going down, rising or going down, you see. And then there is another one here, you can see this is our support, bounced off here, and then it bounced off here, bounced off here, you know. Yeah, it works most of the time. It is a simple strategy, but it's very powerful. Okay, so basically that is your support and resistance. Your resistance, remember, your resistance is your ceiling, and then your support is your floor, you see. So at the resistance, most of the time you will find that sellers are more than there is a lot of supply, so sellers are, I mean, like the supply is more than the demand, so the market will sell. You understand me? From the